If gravity suddenly stopped for just 5 seconds, the entire planet would turn into chaos. At first, nothing seems to happen. You're standing. Everything feels normal. There's no warning, no sound, no sign that anything has changed. But then, the ground stops holding you. You don't jump, you don't move, and yet, your feet slowly lift off the ground. You begin to float. Within just 1 second, it's not just you. Every human, every car, every loose object on Earth starts rising into the air. Phones slip out of hands. Chairs drift upward. Dust lifts off the ground like invisible wind. And it doesn't stop. Cars begin floating off roads. People inside buildings rise towards ceilings. Those outside keep going higher. Now think about planes. They rely on controlled lift, but suddenly everything is lifting. Pilots lose control instantly. Aircraft start drifting unpredictably in the sky, and then the oceans. Gravity is what keeps trillions of tons of water locked to Earth. Without it, the oceans don't stay still. They begin to rise. Slowly at first, then faster. Massive waves lift into the air, not crashing, but floating, like entire seas being pulled away from the planet. Now imagine buildings. They were never designed for this. Everything not bolted down begins to separate. Glass, metal, debris, all drifting upward. Even parts of structures start to weaken. The higher things go, the more unstable everything becomes. And then, exactly 5 seconds later, gravity comes back, instantly. No warning. Everything that was floating stops, and then falls. At once, people drop from midair, some from a few feet, others from dozens of meters high. Cars crash down onto roads. Planes fall from the sky. The oceans collapse back onto the surface, creating massive, unstoppable waves. Cities near coastlines would be hit instantly. The impact would be devastating. Buildings already weakened begin to collapse. Roads crack. Infrastructure fails. And all of this happens in seconds. Not minutes, not hours, just seconds. Millions of people wouldn't survive the fall alone. And even more would be affected by what comes after. Floods, fires, total chaos. And the scariest part? It only took 5 seconds. 5 seconds without gravity to nearly destroy the entire planet.